Good morning, student. Today we are going to see very important sums of Carl Pearson's method, that is XY method and UV method. UV method is also known as shortcut method. So let us see first XY method. Illustration number 7. Please open the page number of your textbook and find out illustration 7. Here there are two informations are given, X variable and Y variable. X means the number of mobile phones sold by a company and Y means the profit in lakh rupees. Find out the relation between both the variables, that is R. We are going to find out R, second chapter. After copying these both the columns, I am going to leave space in my notebook. Below this sum, I will find out X bar and Y bar. X bar is equal to summation of X upon N. Summation of X means total of this column 40 divided by 6. 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of observations. So here I got the answer 6.67. Same way I am going to find out Y bar. Second column summation 58 divided by number of items 6. Answer will be 9.67. So these are the 2 points where I have to take the judgment which method will come. Here X bar and Y bar, both the answers I am getting in decimal points. As I taught you in my previous lecture, decimal point hai, we will go for XY or UV method. Plus see the numbers, they are small, within 20, 1 to 20. So I am going to follow which method, that is XY method. Did you remember the formula? If not, so please write down this formula 5 times in your notebook. R is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon under root n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square under root n sigma y square minus sigma y's whole square. Is it clear? Okay. So now I am going to make the columns. As per this formula, it demands what? That I need X and Y 2 columns. So I have done X and Y columns. Then I want X square and then I want Y square. Did you see this? So I am going to make 2 columns, X square and Y square. So XY 6 3s are 18, 10 8s are 80, 10 5s are 50, 9 7s are 63, 8 5s are 40. Do the summation at a time. 431. Now next X square. See the first line, 3 square 9, 8 square 64, 12 square 144, 5 square 25, 7 square 49, 5 square 25. Is it clear? So now I am going to do the summation of 360. Y square is equal to, Y square में क्या करना है? 6 square 36, 10 square 100, 15 square 225, 10 square 100, 8 square 64. The summation is 606. Clear? Now I am going to substitute all these figures, summation which I have found, into this formula. Let's see. Second step. N means 6 into summation of xy. So what is the answer of this third column? देख सकते हैं आप 431. So 431 minus sigma x. So sigma x यानी ऊपर working में देखिए students, sigma x यानी 40 and sigma y means ये वाला उसके सामने 58. So 40 into 58 upon under root again n यानी 6 into sigma x square. Sigma x square यानी this one column 316 minus sigma x whole square. This is very important. Sigma x 40 उसका भी square वो होगा हमारा 1600. Is it clear? Then after, same with the procedure of under root n sigma y square 6 into here n sigma y square 6 into sigma y square, that is 606 into sigma y's whole square. That means go to this working 58. 58 whole square. This is clear? Okay. So now when we sort it out, 431 into 6, answer will be this, minus 58 into 40, 2320 upon 6 into 316, 200 minus 1600, the final answer would be under root 296, and over here 606 into 6 minus, here that is the sign of minus sign, 58 square. When I do the minus, I will get the answer 272. So now, how to do this? Subtraction of this 266, multiply this both the figures, under root में रहेगा still 80512. This numerator as it is 266, and then after that under root है, take out the root of it, you will get the answer 283.75. So here the answer will be 0.94. So what is the relation between these two x and y? 0.94. I hope you have understood this. You can solve all the sums of exercise 2.1 and 2.2 by this method. Now let's see UV method. Which method we are going to see? UV method, which is also known as shortcut method. किस तरह से जानी जाती है वो? Shortcut method. So here I have selected for you very nice sum which requires all the working. I can teach in one sum only, and that is illustration 11. Here I have changed my style. What is my style? I just want to avoid minus sign. So how it is possible to solve this sum? You must have seen the textbook where you will find the answers over here in minus. But my method is such where I can avoid this minus sign. So how it is possible? Let's see with me. Two variables, density of different cities and y variable death rate in that cities. These are the columns. Leave this much space in your notebook. Clear? Below that, find out what is n. N is equal to, there are 6 cities information, so 6. Find out x bar, sigma x upon n. So when I do the summation of this column, this would be 2700 divided by 6 is equal to 450. Let's find out y bar. Sigma y upon n. Sigma y means second column summation जो भी है, that is 68 divided by 6, 11.33. These are the two answers where I have to take decision which formula will come. Here 450 integer and here decimal point. There is a clue. I'll go for UV plus दूसरा clue. See the figures. These are small, but these are very big figures from 200 to 700 and all. So I would go for which method? UV method, which help me to reduce the value of the sum. Let's see that. Clear? Now here I have written this formula. Okay. R is equal to n sigma UV minus sigma u into sigma v. Write down this formula 5 times in your notebook. And under root n sigma v square minus sigma u's whole square into n sigma v square minus sigma v's whole square. How to solve this sum? So I taught you, take u at the place of x, take v at the place of y. So these are the two main working that is new for you. So u is equal to x minus a upon cx common multiple, and v is equal to y minus b minus divided by cy, yani you are going to divide this. Okay, now see, a means what? A means the number which is the smallest one in the column of x. देखिए मैडम ने यहाँ पर स्क्वायर बना ही दिया है, which is that 200. So here I have written 200. What is cx? The common multiple division. मुझे ऐसा फिगर लेना है so I can reduce the value. It can be 10, 100, it can be 500, 1000. It depends on the figure and the sum. यहाँ पे कॉमन निकालने के लिए डिवीजन करने के लिए आप देख सकते हैं there are 2 zeros in each, ones place and tens place. So can I divide it by 100 to reduce its value? Yes. So here it is divided by 100. Let's see. This value of x, in every step it would be changing. 200 minus 200, 0. 0 divided by 100, answer is 0. This is 0. 500 minus 200, 300. 300 divided by 100, answer will be 3. 400 minus 200, 200. 200 divided by 100, answer will be 2. Like so, last one, 300 minus 200, 100. 100 divided by 100, answer is 1. Get the summation sigma u 50. Same method I would be following for v, y minus b. B means what? B means smallest figure in the column of y. So smallest figure देखिए आप 9 है. So on that I have done the circle. See this rectangle 9. So 9 जो है वो यहाँ पे लिखा है और cy common क्या होगा? What would be the common number? So when I observe the data, the ones place 0, 2 are even but 5 is odd. 9 is again odd number. So there is mixture of odd and even. So in such situation, advisable to go for 1, which won't allow you to change its value. So here 10 minus 9, 1. 1 divided by 1, answer will be 1. 12 minus 9, 3. 3 divided by 1, answer is 3. 10 minus 9, 1. 15 minus 9, 6. 9 minus 9, 0. 12 minus 9, 3. Get the summation 14. Now, UV. 0 ones are 0. 3 threes are 9. 2 ones are 2. 6 fives are 30. 4 into 0, 0. 1 into 3, 3. Clear? Then U square. So these one columns, do the square of it. 0 square 0. 3 square 9. 2 square 4. 5 square 25. 4 square 16. 1 square 1. Then after V square. 1 square 1. 3 square 9. 1 square 1. 3 square 9. Get the summation of all. So it would be easy for you to substitute in the formula. So UV is there, so sigma UV 44, U square is there, sigma U square 55, V square is there, so answer would be 56. Now the sum is ready. I am just going to put into this main formula. So formula is already written by me. Let me substitute. N means 6 into sigma UV. See this sigma UV यानी ये वाली column, yes, that is 44. So substitute over here 44 minus sigma u. Sigma u का आंसर क्या रहेगा 15. This is 15 and sigma v 14 upon n sigma u square. N means 6. Sigma u का whole sigma u square यानी ये रहा 55 minus sigma u's whole square means this column 15 का square 225. You can see this. Same way 56 into 6 336 minus 14 square 196. The sum is ready. I am very near to my answer. 264 minus 210, answer will be 54 upon 330 minus 225, answer will be under root 105 into dot जो है that is into sign. 336 minus 196, answer is 140. So 54 divided by 105 into 140. Are you doing this with me? Do it on your class. Do it on your calculator, please. So 54, 140 into 105, 14,700 still in under root sign. 54. Now take out the root. This will be figure on your screen of your calculator. Root का sign press कीजिए. This will automatically come out 121.24. So when you do the division, the answer would be 0.4453. This is 5, so one digit would be added. So 0.45. So this way I have found it. So your homework would be exercise 2.1, all the sums. Exercise 2.2, you can solve all the sums by this method. Is it clear? Now let's see a short sum. Exercise 2.2, question number 12. What is the sum is selected by me? That is from the exercise. Please take out exercise 2.2. At the top you will find this sum, that is question number 12. So there is a new formula. Introduction is n is equal to 10. Covariance, how to read this? COV means covariance of xy. That means two variables together. That is 30. Sx means standard deviation of x is equal to 5. Then what is written in the question? Variance of y. What is written, students? Variance of y. So I have written s square y 144. So students, tell me now what would be the answer of sy, standard of deviation of y Would it be 12? 144 का रूट निकालिए, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा 12. So by following this, looking into the question, I can have the new formula, and that is R is equal to correlation coefficient is equal to covariance of xy upon sx into sy. Please note down this formula, very important. Write down 5 times in your notebook. Substitute the values. Covariance of xy, that is 13, upon sx यहाँ से मिलेगा, that is 5, ये रहा, into sy, this I have done it, that is 12. Can you see this? 12? Yes. So 30 as it is, 12 5s are 60. So 3 by 6, 1 upon 2. Answer will be in decimal point 0.50. So what is the homework? To solve all the sum of the exercise 2.1 and 2.2, which covered up all this sum. In the next lecture, we are going to see again few formulas which are very important. Okay.